everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some KSCRAFT unboxing dies for the November 2024 release. Thank you KSCRAFT for sending me these dies. I'm super excited to show you all of these Valentine themed dies, and you can get all of these dies at the KSCRAFT Aliexpress store or KSCRAFT Amazon. I'll put the links in the description box below. Let's get started. First, we have these flat bows, and they're called trio flat bows, so there's 3 different sizes. There's a large, medium, and a small, and they're so cute. It's like tiny little bows here, and you could possibly put something inside and make them as a shaker, or you don't need to make them as a shaker. So yeah. So that's these trio bows. And then next up we see these XOXO. They're called bag toppers. And these bag topper is so super cute. It says XOXO. It has these stitching on them and the background. It looks super cute. And next up we have this. I really love this one. This one is called the diamond ring, diamond ring box. It's so cute. I really love this. I'm looking forward to making this diamond ring box. It sort of looks like it reminds me of like a ring pop once you complete this project. And next up we have this ladybug bows. It's super cute. I think it's like a small and a large. And they're just like really cute and dainty, and I just love it. And the dots are like made of hearts. It's like a heart pattern. Super cute for Valentine's. And here we have the Valentine flowers. Super pretty, and it comes in various sizes. And we have here some hinge makers, which is really useful. I just like am so happy that KSCRAFT came out with these hinges for your mini albums or albums, or you can make them into tag flips with a single one. Even double it could be, but super useful to make things into an album using these. It has 3 holes, 2 holes, and 1 hole, and this one is a little bit longer than this one, so it's really nice and useful. Really like this. And next up we have this XO memory decks. Super cute. You could also make this into a shaker as well. Comes with a background piece to put the acetate on top, maybe. I'm not quite sure. Or you can cut it out. Yeah, looks really cute. And next up we have this. This one is called the 2024 Valentine Shadow Words. And we have Darling, Forever, Smooch, Chocolate, and Adore. And I just love the style of this die, and the size is really cute, and it's just perfect for decorating your albums with, and or your 3D projects, whatever it is. It's just awesome. I love this. And next up we have these cute monkeys. It comes in either a girl or a boy, so it's super cute. The girl one has little hearts on its shirt, and the boy one has stars and a bow. Yeah, this one has a collar and also bows on it. Super cute. And next up we have this one. Is the Flower Parlor add-on. So it adds on to the ice cream parlor that came out in, I believe, let's see when it came out. I think it came out in June. Yeah, that's correct. So this one is flower themed that you could add on to your ice cream parlor mini album. And it's super cute. It has all these flowers and a flower sign for the shop, the flowers, and it comes with all these different style flowers, which is like super cute, with the signage that you can put on the floor. This like sign here, and some balloons. It's super cute. And we have some vases or vases. Yeah, you could put the flowers in. And here's the sign for the side of the mini album. It's just really beautiful. So it comes with a lot of things. And here's a crate. And next up we have this one. It's called Valentine add-on for the tier tray. The tier tray is coming up soon, and so it's really, really wonderful because it comes with so many things, like these birds, and there's also a bow here, a shooting arrow bow, as you can see, and it's like this really cute love sign and some banner flags, and you could also make these chocolates with different styles, these squigglies, and here's the arrow and a butterfly with a backing on it, and all these cute different style bows here. It's just awesome. And there's an anchor that has hearts on it too. Really neat. And next up we have this one that's called the Valentine garlands, and it's really cute because it says XOXO, and there's one that's like a chocolate heart box. It's really cute. I thought that was cute. And one that says XOXO and this heart lock. Really cute. And next up we have this one. It's called the Elegant Heart Memory Decks, and yeah, it's like super elegant with this border. It looks really pretty, like a doily kind of like style border. And this one says best friends in the middle here. It's really pretty and can make it into a shaker with some butterflies. Very pretty. So that's what these ones look like. And let's go on. We have these heart hands in a large and a small. You can choose the small one or a large one, and it's super cute. They look like yeah, just maybe you can put it anywhere. Like you can even make them into bag toppers. I don't know. Yeah, and it's really cute. The hands shaped like a heart, and it says love you, and so love you so much. That's what it says. And next up we have this one. It's called Heart Cooling Rack Stamp and Die Set. I just thought this was like super cute. It has like these little cupids, and has these little words that says love XOXO. How cute is that? And little mittens and chocolates that you can decorate in different styles. And here's like a lock. This one's squiggly in a different way that you can make these chocolates, and it's all cooling in this cooling rack that is heart shaped. So it looks super cute. And next up we have this one. This one is called Valentine Mini Album. It's so cute. You can make it into a shaker as well. And this word, it comes with this word, and I'm not really quite sure what it says. Let me see. Sending, I think it's sending kisses. Yeah, that's what it means. Sending kisses. Isn't this so cute? I just love it. Probably could write a message here too. And let's see what's next. We have this really cute and adorable bear pocket tag. It's so cute. It's 3-dimensional with this pocket, and the bear is like sitting with this box on its leg, and you can put things inside the pocket tag, and it's like super cute. It has, the eyes have some eyelashes here, and all these pieces for assembling to make it into a teddy bear, and it has this bow here. It's just super cute. And next up is this tier tray mini album, in which this goes, all this stuff can go in here, or you can put whatever you like in this tier tray album. It's super big, and it's bigger than my hand, as you can see. So you could put lots of things in here, and it comes with these different styles of tray on here. You can put this on to the top of the tray. Super elegant, and the top is also really nice. And yeah, that's this tier tray. And next up we have this really awesome 3D gumball machine. I'm just yeah, it's really cute. Like, just looking at it now is like really cute, and looking at it on the website, the picture, it's like super awesome. You can put lots of things in there, lots of candy inside this gumball machine, and just love the style and the different these doily kind of style to it, and there's a flap where you can access all the candy, and it's just super cute for gift giving. And finally, we have this one. This one is called, let's see what this one is called, Strawberry Dessert Box. I just really love the strawberry dessert box. It just looks so awesome. I just can't wait to make this. I just love chocolate boxes. Anything with like candy and boxes, I'm just like super excited about. And so yeah, I just can't wait to make this. It's like super awesome. It has these strawberries that look like hearts, and you can dip it into chocolate here, and it comes with the bow, and also this word. Let's see what this word is. This word is for you. How cute is that? For you. It's so cute. And the chocolates also have the leaves for the strawberry, and some little hearts here, and the bow, and it's just super cute, this box. I just love it. So that's about it for this November 2024 release. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.